If Linux Mint fails to boot properly, a boot repair tool can often resolve the issue. This tutorial explains how to use a live USB environment to run boot repair and restore normal startup functionality. What you will need: a USB flash drive with the Linux Mint installer, access to another working computer to create the bootable USB if needed. Step 1. Create a bootable USB drive. On a working computer, go to the Linux Mint website and download the ISO file. Use a tool such as Rufus or Balena Etcher to write the ISO to the USB flash drive, creating a bootable installer. Step 2. Boot from the USB drive. Insert the bootable USB drive into the computer experiencing boot issues. Restart the computer and open the boot menu by pressing the appropriate key during startup, typically F12 or ESC, depending on the computer model. Select the USB drive from the boot menu. Step 3. Launch Linux Mint in live mode. When the Linux Mint startup menu appears, select Try Linux Mint. This loads the operating system directly from the USB drive without installing anything or altering the existing installation. Step 4. Install boot repair. Once the Linux Mint desktop loads, open the terminal. Enter the following commands one at a time. Text: sudo apt update, sudo apt install boot repair. Allow the installation to complete. Step 5. Run boot repair. In the terminal, type boot repair and press Enter to launch the tool. A window will appear with a recommended repair button. Click this button. Boot repair will scan the system and automatically attempt to fix boot-related issues, such as restoring GRUB or correcting boot files. Step 6. Restart the computer. When the repair process finishes, boot repair will display a confirmation message. Close the tool, remove the USB drive, and restart the computer. Linux Mint should now boot normally. Conclusion: boot repair, run from a live Linux Mint USB environment, can resolve common boot problems, including missing GRUB entries or corrupted boot files. This method restores normal startup functionality without requiring a full